Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mohini and I'm here today to review a anti-aging lotion by L'Oreal. It helps reduce wrinkles, firms, and brightens. It's Pro-Retinol Vitamin C. Pro-Retinol, Vitamin C, and Hyaluronic Acid, as well as being SPF 30. So I've used this one prior to, and we're gonna go ahead and open this. It's a new box. It's definitely a more affordable option, and you can find this at the drugstore. So I've ordered it on Amazon. You get about, let's see how much you get in this box. 1.7 fluid ounces. I love the packaging. It's easy to travel with. It's not too heavy. And we're gonna go ahead and see. I love the applicator. It's a formula that's not too greasy, but it probably does leave a little bit of a white cast. So we're gonna go ahead and we can try it together on the neck. But once you massage it in, it melts into your skin, as you can see. So a little bit does go a long way. It has a little bit of a fragrance. If you have sensitive skin, be aware, but it claims to reduce wrinkles, firm, brighten in less than 1 week. So this is the new look packaging. Skin feels softer, refreshed, and like I said, it's non-greasy. So if you're looking for a new sunscreen that includes skincare properties, that's what I like to use myself. I'm eliminating all of my skincare that doesn't have ingredients, or eliminating sunscreens that don't have hydrating ingredients included as well. So you get your bang for your buck. Definitely purchase this. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as let us know in the comments if you have any questions, concerns. If you've watched some of my previous videos, I have dry skin, so a lot of the products are probably going to be targeted and do well for you if you have dry skin or combination skin, but probably not oily skin. So if you have any questions, don't forget to drop a comment, and we look forward to speaking to you again. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updated videos on new products, makeup, skincare, and lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching.